You think that what makes our relationship are grand gestures. It's really not it. It's the small gestures, the ones that you don't have to, hindi mo ini-expect. Yung maliliit na mga bagay is,
You're right.
for me, it matters the most. Sa akin nga, actually, pag naglalak sa small things, doon ako na-turn off. Kasi di ba yung smallest things have to be the one that's common sense eh. Ito dapat yung alam na ng taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Hindi mo to dapat sinasabi sa kanila. Hindi mo dapat nire-remind. Or kunyari may nakita kang post sa TikTok, hindi mo kailang isend sa kanya. Yung, to be honest, you're not even supposed to be in that situation. If a person is in love with you or they love you, the small things should be normal. It
Right.
shouldn't be asked. And I also don't like it. Kunwari, i-rant ko yan sa ibang tao, tapos sabihin sa akin, sabihin mo sa kanya, yun na nga eh. Bakit ko ba kailangan sabihin sa kanya?
Sometimes sinabi mo na ng paulit-ulit.
Hindi
And
naman nakinig.
merong concept ng play deaf. Diba? I made a TikTok about it. When a man really is not into you, they're gonna play deaf. Ibig sabihin, even if you're saying your desires, gusto mo, nagsabi ka na kung saan mo gusto pumuntang restaurant, nagsabi ka na kung anong gusto mo in the future, nagsabi ka na, they're like gonna pretend as if like they don't even
Change
remember.
topic.
Change topic. O kaya naman, nandun na nga kayo, lumabas na nga kayo, hindi sila yung tipo na, or I remember you saying na gusto mo ng, sa ganitong restaurant.